Good morning, everyone. All right, let's start the show. Let's start the show. So, I think the draw on liquidity is down at 700. So I would really like to see price going lower. It should be going lower, in my opinion. So we'll see. We shall see. I think it might want to break the what's that level? $700. I mean, the lowest point was 701 actually. So we'll see. Hey, Stefano, welcome. Good morning or evening. Let's start this. So I think we could go lower, but just gotta be careful because on the 813, well, I actually took out that level. But I would really love to see evening from Italy. Oh yeah, forgot. Yeah. Now it clicks in. Yeah. So I think this should go lower actually. This should go much lower maybe. Anyway, less than 2 minutes to go. Gold actually just took a dump. NQ acting up weird a little bit. So let's see. Man, I'm a little bit cold. I need to grab a jacket or a hoodie or something. 20 seconds. All right, 5 seconds. Get ready. Here we go. Market open. I think it might want to go lower, right? Would be interesting to see. Going down to 702 maybe, even lower. Even lower. There seemed to be a connection issue here. I might have to reconnect to Apex. Anyway. What seemed to be happening around here? Corktown, hey there, good morning, Vietnam. Is this gonna try to go lower or what's happening? Who knows? What's gonna be the real deal here? Okay. Bit of a push here to the upside. Nothing special. Yeah, it seems like we're pushing. London high would be 813, I guess. I wonder if it will go above 805. What's the high there? 05.50? I'm not sure. Or is it just sweeping this level? Seems like it's just a sweep. What a move. All right. What would be the next move here? Are we going to go down to the 20s? I'm just wondering. This was a really nice sweep there. So I wonder if it wants to go down to the 20s. or test the 700 maybe, who knows. That would be really interesting. Well, we're stuck here. Basically at Asia low. I think I might just gonna delete this line. And we have a London low here. So let's see. Is this gonna go lower? I think 701 could be a target. But I'm just scared to jump in right here. This is just too scary, to be honest. The way NQ looks like, you know, I mean, even the 5 in it, wow. I don't want to be a part of this. There's a fair value gap here, so that would be the first. Is it? No, not yet. The first fair value gap is actually here. It's higher. But I still think it wants to go lower. you know. Maybe try. Oh, hold on. I think it wants to go for that 700. Almost got it. All right. It went for it. Interesting. What else do we have? Okay, so now that we took out the London low, and I think the gunpowder has... I mean, it's already out from the equation. I would love to look for some kind of a level here. The 677 is basically a liquidity void down there on the micro. So we could continue lower. But obviously have to be careful here. Come on, come on. Yeah, Kirktown. TLA Trader, welcome. ES Open Test Drive. There is a possibility of trend day. Could be. I mean, we have this new week opening gap still, and the 677 is still important because there's a liquidity void below that level. So, you know, it can still drive there. Have to be really, really careful, obviously. But yeah. Actually, it's down at the 8. I mean, yeah, if it gets below the 80s. Trying to take a scalp here. To go for the 680, I entered at 607. I might close it. I'm looking for that gap, you know, but obviously it's a risky trade. But hey, there is liquidity down there, so let's just hope for the best. Oh no. Well, I tried. I tried. This is mostly a scalp trade, although I know it's 25 points ish, but it would be awesome to go down into the gap, at least wick it. Yeah, Kirktown, but you know, have to be careful because there's a bounce always around these levels, and you know, I should have shorted much higher, but I wasn't sure how it's going to react here. But the way the candles look like right now, it feels like it wants to tap into 677 on the micro. So I'm good exiting just above 80. If it spikes down there, that would be fine. If not, then it is what it is. The rules are confusing. Yeah, we're gonna talk about that. Hey, Dom. What? I found my int ROM. What? 6E1 is your okay. There you go, Dom. All that matters is if you have to find your market that suits you the best. Oh, look at that. It was so close. So Cookdown, basically expert account. There is no consistency rule, no scaling rule in the contracts. Bi-weekly payouts every 14 days. That's it. Super simple. I think you have to be above the safety net. So you have to reach the safety threshold. But since they change so much, like almost every month there was a change, regarding the safety net and the withdrawal rules. I do have to refresh my memory because in the past 6 months they changed like 2 or 3 times the expert account, but I'm sure you have to go above the safety net. And of course, from the expert, you can go straight to funded after I think 3 withdrawals or $6,000 in withdrawal, I think. I'm gonna look into that for sure. Right, Take Profiteer is the best. Yeah, Take Profiteer is definitely going for the big league there. I see more and more people joining. They were manipulating the charts. Well, it's some people were telling things about that Top Step X platform, but on other platforms like Tradeaway, Rhythmic, whatever. Man, this trade was looking so good. I'm gonna get stopped out from this. There's gonna be a nice bounce here. Ah, what a shame. What a shame. Well, I tried. Surprised I'm still in this. But I think it will be spiking higher. Yeah. Man, we were so close to that level. We were so close. I was really hoping for it. But anyway, what can I do? Okay. We have that. We have that. Pretty much stuck in the middle here. What's it gonna do, man? Picked up liquidity on the 5 minutes, so 5k of that buffer request 2k. They send a remote. Sorry, hold on. 5k of that buffer and request 2k and the remaining drawdown will be lost. What does that mean? I mean, it shouldn't be lost. You know, if you leave your buffer, if you close the account, I guess. I mean, I think you're confusing that only closing the account. I'm going to check the rules for you myself as well, because I always use the starter account. Like most of the time, I tried the expert too, but let me check it for you. I'm looking for a possible scalp here. That's why I'm focusing on the quant hour charts as well, to see what's going on, if it tries to make a move again or not. We have the macro in about less than 2 minutes. I'm gonna check it, Kirk. I'm gonna check it as well. I'm just looking at this 87-ish level to jump in or not for a scalp. It's basically, so I'm gonna wait for this candle if it's gonna try to invert this. Not sure though. Did it go lower? It did, right? All right, fine. All right, let's see, expert account. Payout rules. We're going down. 677 has been breached, so all right, let's see, payout rules. Payout rules. Okay. Buffer zone policy, expert plan only. $2,100 on the 50k. During the buffer zone phase, you can withdraw up to 60% of your profits. Any withdrawal will reset the buffer to 0 and the remaining drawdown will be lost. Okay, so what that means, for example, if you have like $1,000 in your buffer zone, right? You can withdraw up to 60% of your profits, which means you can withdraw $600. But just like at Top Step, they are going to put your drawdown to 50,000. So they are going to put you to 0. So your remaining drawdown, so you were in like, how much is the drawdown? $2,000 or $2,500? I don't even know. So your trailing drawdown is going to lock in on your first withdrawal to 50,000 or 50,100. Sorry, you're gonna be locked in. So your drawdown will be lost. Basically, you will be left with like $300 of safety threshold. That's what it means. Yeah, I see it now. So, and of course, there's a $1,000 minimum withdrawal applies. So that's the expert plan. $1,000 minimum withdrawal. So if you get to $51,000, you're going to get $600 and you're going to lose majority of your drawdown. And you're going to be left with $300 of safety cushion. That's it. You see, you can request a payout before reaching the buffer zone. Minimum $1,000. You know, but you're gonna be locked in a buffer to 0. That's the problem. You know, this is basically ooh, what a drop. This is basically urging you to build up more capital on your trading account, which is not a bad thing actually. But if you really need the money and you want to take out, obviously it's a good thing that they let you to take some money out from the buffer zone, but you have to be aware of the consequences. What is going on here? NQ started to melt down. Wow. NQ started to melt down. It's going. Look at that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It is just going. Unfortunately, the thing is that at this point, I'm not going to take a short. Even if it goes lower, I mean, it kind of makes sense that it might want to, but I'm not gonna. No, I'm not gonna. But it might want to. Man, what a move here. Yeah, obviously, there's nothing I can do at this level, really. I would like to go long, and I guess everybody's looking for some long positions, but I mean, it feels like it want to go lower. This level is actually a last week Wednesday 9 a.m. candle, so it could be a target at 5:13. And this other one is a Sunday open. Wow. Interesting. Interesting. How does the daily look like? Okay, yeah. Might want to go down to that 500. Could be a structure shift, so yeah, obviously. I'm not going to chase this. I can't chase this. Relative equal lows at 20,692. Oh man, it's tempting. It's tempting to jump in, but no, I don't want to chase it. I don't want to. I have to wait. I need to. New low European indices, big bound buyers, risk off, most likely. Could be. Yeah, the 510 level, I'm eyeballing on that, but you know, if I jump in here, if I take a short, even on the 1 minute, if I see some kind of a retracement, if I jump in here, it's gonna immediately pop like, I don't know, 50 points minimum. Boom. No, I don't want to do that. Better to wait. Better to wait and sit on our hands. Make sure that nothing goes wrong, hopefully. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna wait. Oh man, it's going down. I have to mark this here. I wasn't sure that it's really the target, but seems like that's gonna be sell side liquidity at 510. Oh man, look at that. It's just melting. It's melting like crazy. You're in the trade? Let's go. Good luck with that, Dom. Oh, definitely, Dom. If you size down to micros, you know, it definitely gives you much less stress. So that's for sure. Yeah, exactly, Dom. Melting like ice cream in rainforest. Exactly. Oh man, what a move here. Yeah, it feels like 500. At least it should be testing the 550. You know, even if it bounces up there, I'm not gonna do anything with this here until I don't see a proper structure being built up. I'm just gonna wait as usual. No way, I am not doing anything with this. All right. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Hey, Peep Hunter, welcome. Welcome back. Look at that. Wants to go down to the 50s. Oh, nice. Let's go. Look at that. Oh my god. Just cut through the 50s like a hot knife through butter. Oh my god. 510. What is going on? What's the drop now from the open? 280. This is gonna take the 510. Pretty sure no sign of bounce here. I mean, maybe there is a bounce, but still. Look at this, man. Phew. Careful, if you want to jump into a short, just be careful. It can bounce up like 30 points in a matter of seconds. I am not jumping into this. No, I'm not. No way. Hell no. It does feel like it wants to go down and take it out, but man, wanna move. Look at that. Here it comes. 510. There you go. All right. Wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This could have been an easy short ride, but I had no entry. $19,000. Yeah, could be if you go to the 1 hour. Which level was that? Just a second. Oh man, which level was? Oh, I'm looking. Okay. Okay, so that's the Sunday. Friday close, Sunday open. We could see a down close candle below 242 and then lower. Oh my god, it's 418 is the next. What a slip. Yeah, Damia, no problem. Absolutely fine. I'm glad you have a good market now. I mean, for your trading style, you found it. You found it. It's just not stopping, I'm telling you. It's not stopping. No stopping. 450. Wow. It just goes. What's the next level? 415. I don't know, man. Unstoppable. Unstoppable. How does it look like on the daily? It looks like a structure shift. Let's see if it wants to go for it. What can it do? Yeah, most likely it seems like it. I'm really expecting some kind of a bounce, but if I look at the 1 and the 5 minute, what is this gap here? Okay, TradingView has a gap on micro on the 5 minute. I think that's some kind of a data issue. Okay, so we have the bounce already up 70 points on the bounce here. Liquidity is at 538. I'm not in a trade. I'm not gonna take long on this. This level is at 39. I don't know. Look at that. Did it go for it? Yeah, it did. Oh man. Wow. This is just wow. Now this was a real retracement here. So the question remains, is it going to go continue lower or what is happening? Oh yeah. Yeah, it tapped into it from February 3. Man, this was interesting. Is it gonna reach higher? Is it gonna try to recover some levels up there? For example, on the mini, is there something up there? Anything? Nothing. Okay. Hey, Red, what's going on? Welcome. What is going on? Your PC died? Oh, no problem. I was actually late in the London stream. And yeah. Change the part. All right. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you for using the code. And everybody who uses the code, thank you for the support, Red and everyone. The cheat code for the markets is Tom Sabo. I'm gonna do a commercial or something about that. I think that's what I'm gonna do. You like Project X? Awesome. That is cool. I never tried it. You know, I heard good and bad things, but I guess it's personal perspective, or perspective. Sorry, right? So, why do I have this gap here on TradingView? I don't know, man. Better than trader weight. Well, again, it's personal perspective or preference. Sorry, personal preference, not perspective, man. I really have to. I can't speak now. So personal preference, but I mean, trader weight is good too. I rarely trade on trader weight nowadays, but yeah. Maybe I'll try Project X once. They talk about the slippage, but I don't know if it's really an issue. Like, is it really a thing? I don't know. What's this doing right now? I just want to go up for some liquidity, or what's the case here? Could be stopping here. Dangerous to trade right now, that's for sure. Super dangerous to trade. Okay, still pushing higher. Wow. There's delay. A lot of issues. Wow. Hmm. Hey Nintendo! The London session, well, I had a good trade. I had a nice short. And then I had the loss, so basically a little bit of a break even, but nothing special. And so far, I'm trying to figure this out. I didn't want to chase it down there, but overall today I scalped a few accounts, but nothing special. How's your day, Nintendo? How you doing right now? Hope in the green. I hope you're in the green. Well, not really. When I scalp, I usually do like it. It's a discretionary thing. Like for example, I was taking a scalp here. I was looking for the swing high, and as I was watching the candles printing on Quant Tower, and I was like, okay, it should be taking that, so it took it. So it's basically discretionally, which is not a good thing. It builds up bad habits, In the green. Hey, $30 is good. It is actually good. $30 is extremely good. I wonder if we're gonna try the 415 again. Profit is profit. Exactly. Exactly, Nintendo. Profit is profit. So we have to be happy about that. I'm confused with this, and I don't know why is this gap here on TradingView. I don't see it anywhere in Quant Tower or anywhere else. Yeah, it looks heavy. I'm not trusting the longs here, but also it's a very tricky level, the 415. I mean, now that we basically inverted this again, could be good, that I'm not trusting it. Where could it go? Let's check the 1 hour. 415. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, Bravo. I agree. I mean, it got so close, and it's still tempting that we could go down there. And I'm gonna just delete this line and this one too. So it got so close to that level, to that 415 area. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, Nintendo. So, There's a flat candle here. This is also like a bullish order block. Nah, well, not really. If it would make a continuation with the displacement to the downside and close like somewhere around, I mean, a few points below 518, then maybe I would consider jump in, try to go for that 415. Otherwise, I'm not really a huge fan of the idea. I might just gonna have to wait. And I'm also using my magical super indicators from the future, this time on the 5-minute chart, which are not showing anything particular right now. So, I mean, I do have a short signal, but it's a low probability signal to go short. So I'm not taking that. By the way, here's how it looks like. So there is a low probability short signal because the EMAs are pretty much separated, and I would like to see this pullback or retracement going into the EMAs with the colors changing on the candles, you know. But this is a low probability short. Obviously it can go down, but I'm not doing anything with that. I'm not using it actually. Actually, I'm not using it. I'm just having it on my left as reference, you know. Not reference, but you know, just to get a different picture of the market, or you know, just to see where it can go. That's it. MetaTrader 5 actually. It's on MetaTrader 5, but it's on MT4 as well. But I'm using MT5. It's only on a demo account just to you know, just for the chart, nothing else. But yeah. Yeah, Nintendo. I'm leaning towards the price action, definitely. But I never said I never going to look into indicators or mechanical system. That's why, or systems. That's why I'm testing this since like, I don't know, many months now. I don't have a consistent trading result with it. Maybe I should sacrifice one funded account, because that would be the real thing, you know, to trade strictly this system on one particular funded account and see how it goes. I think I could do that. One thing is for sure, the better signals are coming on the 5-minute than the 1-minute. The 1-minute has more bad signals. 1-minute, 15-minute gives the best signals. 5-minute and 15 minutes. So the 5 would be the go-to time frame. But anyway, for now I am just waiting, because this was a huge move. All right, what's it gonna be? And now we have a possible continuation, maybe. Yes, Nintendo. Trust me, I do that myself. And I get confused a lot of times. Oh, exactly. And you know, that kind of thinking gets you into, well, not in the best mood, I should say. You know, because then you're gonna feel the FOMO, then you're gonna do some stupid trades, you know. Uh, not really a good place to be in the mind. So not the proper mindset there. But yeah, I absolutely know what you mean. What's it gonna be? Oh, come on. What is going on here? How are we doing? Um, I had a MyFundedFutures evaluation account, by the way, which is actually blown, but only because on Wednesday it's gonna get rebuilt, and it was already down on the daily loss limit. So I got to choose either if I blow it or just go with the subscription. So I'm gonna buy a new one, but this one has been blown. But overall on the funded accounts, it's okay. So this is the MyFundedFutures funded account I have, is up $108 today. Not too much, but hey, I'm above 1,000. And the Bulenox account today, I'm up $153. I need $69 more to get to the second payout on this account. So this would be the second payout. I'm left with two Apex accounts. This one made 616 today on scalping, and this one is up 401 scalping it. And I took the money from the Take Profit Trader Pro account, so this is now, has been withdrawn. So yeah, not too many stuff here. I took some losses. Yeah. It is what it is. Overall, I'm green, but, overall green. I don't know if it's good or bad, but Hard to say. Hard to say where this one might go. I think the main move is done for now. But obviously we still have time from the silver bullet hours, so we can still continue lower. I don't know. Are we gonna go to 451 or what? 450. I like the 450s, to be honest. I like the 450s. William, hey there. So for Bulenox, you took out 1,000 USD. So this is the minimum for 50K. Yeah, so on the previous payout, I can show you. I can show you actually, William, just a second. Here's my report. So here it is. I took $1,500 on this Bulenox account here. So I already took 1,500. Today I already traded, so today I have the 7. So the maximum for one withdrawal is 1,500, but only for the first 3 withdrawals, I think. I think it's 3. And then so one payout already. The next payout, I'm not gonna wait for 1,500. I'm just gonna take out 1,000. So and after 3 payouts, there is no more cap on the withdrawals. So so that's it. Yeah, the minimum is 1,000. Yes, I'm sorry. Yeah, the exact answer is that yes, the minimum withdrawal is $1,000. So you gotta make sure that your account is at here. Should be at $3,600. So I still need $69 to be able to request $1,000 from this. I still need to make $69. Actually, $68.30. That's what I need to make. But I'm not going to force it. Today I made 153. This is the 7th trading day. It's fine for me. I still have to trade 3 more days. So I'm not going to force anything. It's good, you know. It's perfectly fine for me on this account. Yeah, exactly, Kurtown. Yeah, best way to be. Yeah, I could be forcing it to be over the threshold, and then I just sit back and relax, but it's fine. I'm not going to force it, not going to push it. Yeah. So I'm just waiting here, trying to be calm, you know, relax, sit back and relax, and try to figure out what to do. Because so far I think this drop pretty much exhausted every kind of trader here. Like what should we do? Are we gonna drop lower? Market doesn't even know yet, I think. Or is it gonna reprice higher? Nobody knows. 85.25 up there, and we have the 36.75 down there as the low, and we have a wick on the downside on the micro. I don't know what's the low on the mini, but we're pretty much in the middle of nowhere again. We are in the middle of nowhere. This is, by the way, one of the times, or this kind of price action, because of after this huge move, this is what you don't want to trade here. You know, why would you want to do that? Oh man. Macro coming in 10 minutes. Macro time in 10 minutes, but this one is not doing anything. What is going on? Just sideways movement. Just sideways action here. Man, I don't want to be in this market. What is gold doing? Gold seems to be more reasonable now. Maybe. I don't know. Swept some lows, which is good. Now we can go up there again. This is good actually on gold. There's a nice level here on the 5 minute. Very shorter block right there. Boom. Let's go for it. 2967.7. I like that. Let's go. Come on, gold. If gold starts to go higher, I'm jumping in, man. I just need the proper entry. I just need the proper displacement, and I'm jumping in along on gold. Oh, look at that. I'm telling you, 450. That flat candle looks pretty juicy on the downside. Jacques, oh my god. Good afternoon. The chart addiction is at its top, you know. Good to see you back. You finished with gold? Nice. I'm still battling with some FOMO here, and I'm thinking if I should jump into a scalp to 450. Not sure yet. Yeah, it was hard. It was hard. It was really, really hard. Man. What's it gonna do? Um, All right. You're busy. All right, Jock, thank you for dropping in. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Have a good one. Man, what a market today. Let's wait for the macro. $490 to $436. Can we go down to the 4? I'm actually, I don't know. I'm thinking about that 450, but I'm a little bit scared. I think it will go down to 450. It should. I think it should. Look at that. That flat candle down there. Do we have the same? Yeah, we have the same on the mini. Yeah, down to 50. Down to 50 where she can go. Actually, yeah, let's see. Is it gonna take the 50? Yeah, absolutely. Protecting the earnings, Jacques. Yes. Ludafisk. Hey. Chart Junkie. Up 4,300. Jesus. Nice. 21. 10 on your Apex. That is like, what? Man, you're killing it today. You have to call it a day. Ludafisk, you have to. With that kind of profit, I would walk away for sure. I would definitely walk away. Yeah. Yeah. I'm actually up around, well, 400, 600. I'm up around 300, about $1,500 on my funded accounts. I think I'm not going to give it back. So it's not that much, but it's green. I don't want to really give it back. Oh yeah. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, little fish. Be careful there. By the way, we did go down to 50. Just saying. For that flat candle, we did go down for it. Man, oh man. So here comes the macro. Let's see. Let's see. Nothing is happening. Why is that? What's gonna happen here? Man, it seems like we're stuck. The macro is not really doing anything. Slowly coming down here. Not really enough to jump in here. Oh no, I'm not gonna fall asleep, Kirk. I had the coffee. So I had the coffee. And okay, look at that. There might be getting lower here. You know, the problem is I don't really want to participate in this kind of price action. I'm still looking on gold as well. If I would see a displacement higher, then I would jump in. I definitely like this flat candle at 925. But you know, I'm not falling asleep. I'm not. I'm not doing that. No, absolutely. Hey, I don't want to rage quit Kirktown. Trust me on that. Absolutely, no rage quitting because I'm green. I am green for the day. Basically, on all of my funded accounts, I'm green. So I do want to take some trades, maybe on the Take Profit Trader accounts. I mean the new evaluation or test accounts. That's it. What? Which evaluation, Red? Come on, oh man. You too. That's cool. You know, that's why I'm green on everywhere on these fundeds, and I'm just looking to take a trade on Take Profit Trader test account. That's the only thing I'm looking to do. Oh, the one you bought fresh today. Don't worry, Red. You can always buy some more. No, no, that's what I'm not what I meant to say. But hey, if you're down, like, there has to be some kind of a mental limit. I know it's hard, and that's basically a skill. You know, you have to stop yourself from trading. That's also a skill. Like if you're down, like for example, for me on an evaluation account, if I'm down, like because I trade much more aggressively on evaluations, if I'm down like $700 or $800, I just leave it. So you know why should I? On the funded account, if I'm down $400 or $500, that's definitely a sign that I did something stupid, and that's why. So just leave it. You know, I'd be looking price below 417. Yeah, I have a feeling too. I mean 417, 415 ish. Yes. Yeah, could do that. The problem is we're just sideways. So let's see the new hour in less than 5 minutes now. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, by the way, that's a good point, Kirk. Name change to that is awesome. You know what? That is awesome. I mean, really, changing to green. That is good. Yeah, Ludafish. I think the smartest move, even though I see this one slowly taking the stairs down there, I just don't. I don't think I want to jump in this. So, yeah. I don't want to say it, but I will. I don't really want to trade this session anymore. Because I just don't want. Okay, alright, Kirk. Come on. Come on. Don't worry, Kirk. Kirk. Are you by any relations to James Tiberius Kirk? I guess not, right? 15 minutes. Oh, sure. Sure, alright. Okay. Let's see the reversal. The FOMO is real when I see the account is red. Yeah, but I think the FOMO is even worse than, you know, the feeling of the stop loss. You know, the FOMO is the one that actually puts you into some crazy thoughts. You know, man, the lights is just, my head is glowing. You know, I have to do something about the lights. Just a second. It's not better. It's just worse. All right. I tried. The switch to the light is actually behind my desk, so it's in the worst position because obviously I have this streamer lamp or what this circle here, and obviously the switch because anyway, I have to reach through the desk to change it. Okay, here's the reversal. Here is the reversal. We have it now. Question is, do I want to jump in? Not really. I don't know, Red. I haven't really checked on those news events right now. Let me see if there's some kind of a news here. Not much, actually. Nothing today. Oh, Trump is when is he gonna speak? I hope it's gonna be much later. Whatever Hungarian version of Home Depot should have those. Oh yeah, they have. They have. I'm gonna buy that actually. I was lazy, so I'm definitely gonna buy that. We have the new hour. Do a vlog on it. You know what, actually, Red? I think it's a good idea. I think it should be a good idea. Do a vlog on it. I do. I actually, I know not too many content on the vlog section on the playlist there on the channel because, we're basically trading and I'm streaming here, but I like to do some small videos here and there. So I actually want to buy a newer phone, so I can get better videos because this one is an old phone and this is what I'm doing the videos with. And I'm actually looking to do some more vlog videos, edit some. I don't mind sharing because it's I like to share with you guys these things. All right. I'll do that. I'll do that. Anyway, ladies and gents, I'm not going to take more trades. And I'm going to close the stream because I just don't have anything else. I'm green on all my funded accounts. I'm not giving it back. And I don't see anything happening here. I think this was the move for the AM session. So I'm not going to scalp because I suck at scalping. So this is it for me. I'll be back tomorrow for the London session. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I really enjoyed it, and thank you for being here, keeping me company. And as always, if you would like to support Oh, Alibaba is down. Okay. Thank you. And if you would like to support, please use the cheat code for prop firms is Tom Sabo. Use the code for the best available discounts and prices and everything, you know. Thank you for supporting. This is it. God bless you all. And I'll be back for London session. All right. All right. Cheers, everybody. I miss you too.